Yo guys, just wanted to make a quick video on how to use Runelite in the new Jagex Launcher that they created like a couple weeks ago. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to this website, or just go to your Google search engine and type in Jagex Launcher. Typically the first thing that pops up is this website. So then you're going to want to download this new launcher they have for the game. Either want it for Windows or Mac. Unfortunately, I do not see a Linux one, which is kind of sad for the people who want to use Linux. But whenever you get done downloading this, let's go ahead and open it up. It's gonna look like this whenever you open it, and you're gonna have to sign in. I think you have to sign in before you can get to this screen, because you can see I'm already logged in. So what you want to do is there's one for just, original RuneScape 3, and then there's an old school RuneScape. I don't know what other ones they're going to add, but that's the two they have. You're going to want to go to the old school RuneScape tab, and instead of the new official client, you want to change it to Runelite. Now, I think it'll only say Runelite if you have Runelite installed on your computer, but this is how you switch it over. So whenever you click play on Runelite now, it's actually going to open up the Runelite client instead of opening up their client. You can see it's opening right now. So yeah, this is the way you play Runelite on the new Jagex Launcher. And boom, here I am. So yeah, it's a little weird. I don't know why they did it that way, but hey. This is how you fix it if you guys want to keep your, beautiful textures and all those awesome plugins that Runelite lets you have. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.